Hello everybody, and in this video I'm going to show you how to solve the AMC 8 2017 problem number 17. So in this problem, it's pretty weird. You're sorting gold coins in chests, which does not make sense, but the problem asks for you to find the number of coins you have. And so the problem says that you put 9 gold coins in each chest, but you left 2 of those chests empty. So instead you tried putting 6 gold coins in each chest, but you were left with 3 coins left over. And this problem seems like a system of equations problem, because you have 2 variables. One is the number of coins and one is the number of chests. So how do we do this? How do we make our system of equations? First, let's start with the second statement. So I put 6 gold coins, so 6 times, let's just call the number of gold coins let's call the number of gold coins G. So 6G, and then the number of chests is going to be C. Wait, no, the number of, yeah. So instead this is C. The number of chests, let's just define this so it doesn't get confusing. Number of chests equals C, and number of gold coins is equal to G. So I put 6 gold coins in each, which means since there are C chests, you put 6 C coins in total, and you're left with 3 coins. So 6C plus 3 equals the number of coins you have. And then we can do the same with the upper statement, but this time we need a little bit of rearranging. So let's just do it over here. So we put 9 gold coins in each, so 9C gold coins in each. And we had 2 empty, which means minus 2 times 9, because we were supposed to put 9 gold coins in each. So 2 times 9 equals the number of gold coins you have. So from here, we can see that we have 9C minus 18 equals G. And finally, we have our system of equations. Now, subtracting our system of equations, no, not subtracting, but substituting the first equation into the second one, we get that 9C minus 18 equals 6C plus 3. Then we can subtract, and we get 3C equals 18 plus 3, which is 21, and C equals 7. But we're not done yet, because the problem asks us for the number of gold coins. We only found the number of chests. So we have to substitute this back into one of our equations. Let's do the first one. So 6 times 7 plus 3 equals G. And we end up getting 42 plus 3, which is equal to 45. So the number of gold coins we have is 45, and that is our answer. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I have other videos on AMC 8, so go on and click on my channel. And I recently also published AMC 8 2018 answers, so go check those out too. Thanks for watching.